Reure. Meru County wamefanya ile kitu.
Meru ri.
Yes.
Kuna kuaga ihenya ni rikoragwo riri inene.
Na no aje iya tiriri. Andu a Meru matirengaga ki?
Matirengaga mwaki.
Yes.
Acio mauga ngone guthie.
Transformer ciao ni cia step up. Ni transformer iko mihiriga iri he step down
na step up.
Step down ni rutaga riu high voltage wa ici cia iguru. Eka urehe mwaki wa consume.
Ekanyihanyihia mwaki nigetha riu uke manyumba.
Uke consumer. Step up nayo ri. Yoyaga oyu wa 240 eka ugutha KV.
Ekawa batia.
Yes. Riu ni transformer ya andu anyi a Meru. Ni kurugia. Mauga kaende kafanye nini?
Kaende.
Kasonge.
Na kamesonga.
Na ndaiguira governor akiaria immediate form. Yes. Halafu nikawaitia kwangu lunch tukakula mukadiruka. Nikawaita tukaenda paka Mombasa mukadiruka. Tukakaa chini na nyinyi tukaongea mambo yote mukadiruka.
It's politics.
It is politics. Politics is full of kurukana.
Politics muachandole.
Even at the highest level of leadership here, kuna murukano.
And we have seen it.
It is glaringly there. Kurukwa.
Ni kitu ya kawaida kwa siasa.
Kurukwa kwa siasa niko constant.
Yes. There is a new governor.
Yes. The deputy governor then is now governor.
Has ascended to be governor.
Yes.
Anaitwa Isaac Mutuma.
Yes.
Is now governor Meru County.
Isaac Mutuma will now go and look for a new deputy.
Sasa atatafuta deputy.
Yes.
Wafanya kazi ambayo hiyo miaka imebaki.
Ndio hiyo. Na yabaki mingi.
Ni mbili ni kama mbili hivi
wague wamejua kama watarundi.
Kwa sababu hii kama hii kinusu imebaki hapa katikati, hiyo ni ya kusettle down.
Ni ya kusettle hapa kinusu. Alafu hii nyingine ni ya kufanya mambo mbili tatu.
Na mwaka ya mwisho ni ya campaign.
Na unajua sana unajua siasa naye tunapiganga kitu inaitwa utafiti. Wale ambaye usukua na njia hiyo tujui wanaendanga wapi. No, case study. Ambassador wa Maathai. Though that was on a different circumstance. Nyoro. Yes. And not Dedi. The big Nyoro.
Doctor. Yule wa Muniobe.
Yes. Muniobe. I'm going through a lot. Na hii yote ni ya kujitakia. Nimejiletea. He went into political oblivion. Yes. Now we have, which other governor has taken like that? Is it Kericho? It was where?
I think it was Bomet.
Bomet, yes.
Bomet. The deputies who are sent,
yes,
do not go past that term.
Yes. Okay, he has a chance. You know, Meru is Meru.
No, Meru is Meru.
Yes.
The chance is we're going to be na ihida.
Yes. Mutuma is what by profession?
He's a preacher.
Muthejeri Ngai.
Mubiri.
Yes. No yo tayari yako na neema. Iyo na mungimugia muno ni aguthikire maini. Yes. Ni akorora kire maini na kuria maundu mega meka ati.
Nako kwa mulima.
Nako kwa mulima. Ja makari na matira muhomukia. Bwana azibiwe baba. Musangalile.
Mutuma. Mutumisi
ya Yesu. Kuma ajere ku.
Kuma na ajere.
Yes.
Na dia yuma ajoke.
Wega piyo. Siasa.
Politics.
Rumene
ginyaru agone adu are maruta wina na county government.
Yes.
You have to switch loyalty immediately.
And sometimes you will switch loyalty 1 minute too late. Of course there will be sacrificial pawns. Yes. Kwa ndo thaici turaria ni atanuke.
Yes.
Tondu ndungikora handu na we andu a mundu uria.
Of course kuri andu ari cenjia. Mundu akiingira handu no nginya akihangire andu ake.
Yes.
Na gukiri aria riu maguikara hau no maikare mamenyage ni amuri.
Yes.
Amurike.
Kuri mundu thaici rari gaturo-ini kanene. Riu ahetwo wira wa kurora Kindoru Stadium. Yaye wewe. Mudhuri. Ayua sasa mama alienda sijui utapelekwa wapi.
Na unajua tuliletwa hapa na mama.
Ayua mama ndiye alituleta hapa. Na unajua shida ile iko. Huyu mtoma tulikuwa tunaambiwa tumkanyagie break na tunakanyaga. Sasa si nimempigia simu ajiki.
Ya tatu amekata.
Sasa hiyo unajua ni vizuri tuanze kuipanga. Naona tukifuata mama.
Lakini uliamia walikuwa anasoma na kazini yako.
Sasa hiyo unajua ni consequence baba.
Fanya hivi, ongea na kazini yako. Ulisema walikuwa deskmate.
Unajua nimepigia ule PA wake. Nimepiga simu ikachukuliwa na PA. Nikaambia PA nataka tukae sini na yeye akaniambia tumalizane na Murega Baiso. Hiyo ni kutuambia nini baba? Hebu uliza mtueri yako wapi? Uliza mtueri tuko melikevu gani?
Na unajua tunataka kufanya hivyo haraka.
Unajua sasa hatuna time baba. Ama tunaweza ongea na Kiendeke tujue vile sasa hapa sio mzuri baba.
Kiendeke ako na mambo huko juu.
Hebu uliza Makena ule wa mshahara. Makena ule wa mshahara muulize kama ya mwezi hii tusawekewa. Sababu naona tukisimamishwa rege hapo. Unajua Waswahili wayenga na Wasihi wale wa Mombasa walisema ukiona mwenzako amenyolewa taarifa spirit yako.
No. Umeja kulia andu makwajia gwetha tu delegation yo uguo.
Yes.
Twagukora governor nako ni gwake mucii. Makemure munene ithu tutie na uru. Ithu tukurutithania wira.
Ile kitu ilifanyika your excellency. Sisi unajua Sinda ilikuwa ni kukaliwa. Ile kukaliwa tulikuwa tumekaliwa na mama. Tulikuwa mpaka tumewekwa uzi kwa mdomo. Kuongea ilikuwa ni balaa. Sasa wewe ukijua tu vile utatupeleka line. Wewe toa line. Sisi tunafuata.
Sisi ni watu wa kupewa command.
Si unajua hata resources mingi sile ulikuwa unatumia mimi ndio nilikuwa naweka signature. Sasa ujue vile tutanga. Unajua watu wa Miraa wananiheshimu sana. Watu wa Miraa wananiheshimu. Unahitaji watu kama sisi wa serikali yako. Sababu watu wa Miraa unajua siasa ya hapa wanajua vile inaenda. Sasa ukitaka hiyo watu tuangalie na macho ya huruma. Usituweke kwa ile kikapu. Let me tell you, when one political icon falls, he falls with so many.
No, very many.
There are many casualties. It is always messy, noisy, and with
casualties.
Yes. Kwenda rume kuhota. Unajua ngaba na motoma. Ngaba na excellency. Mbele kabisa, congratulations. Sasa unajua kuna wale tulikuwa na maloni tusaidie mwaka at least mmoja tuwe tumejua vile tutafanya nini
tutailipa.
Sababu tusiweke kwa barindi sana. Situasia kwa barindi na unajua barindi ya siasa si mzuri.
Na unajua wewe ni kijana marika yetu.
Na unajua wewe si ati ni mtu ati umeona njua mingi.
Na gukire andu mekugwira oho
wega ta wega uri andu from nowhere.
Yes, some new faces will crop up.
Wewe sasa mimi ndio chief of staff mtasiga line.
Kwa sasa hivi mlikuwa mnanjifanya na hiyo soko.
Wewe ulikuwa unakaa gari ya ngaba na hapa mbele na gazeti, endelea kuisoma. Soma mpaka crossword.
Huko kwa parking hii.
Enda parking huko papa. Wewe kwanza nakupeleka department ya takataka.
No, but politics has no emotion.
No emotions.
Because if they are, ordinary people, let's call no emotions. Let's do
Hamna.
It's like joining the police force. Politics has no emotion.
Shift.
It's a new dawn in Meru.
In Meru.
Yes.
We wish Mutuma well. Agitungate andu a Meru miaka etigarite iri na gicunje.
You are very right about these people who take power after a governor has been ousted. Another example is Kananu.
Oh, goko na Nairobi so nkwenyera.
Yes. Agamondo anyitagirira how on behalf of some people we don't know. Particularly as your Marutau.
The big one.
Yes.
No horo wa governor na deputy. Ni ukwenda uri shokio kira iri.
No, but I can tell you for free. Wamuta governor the new one. Mutuma. He will not have a smooth ride.
It will not be smooth.
It will not.
Umenye the immediate former nake to mundu muhuthu.
Yes.
Na nona nake uri arenyeririo.
Yes. Ko bio ri ni uthongaga. Anyways, ni siasa. And let me ask from a point of interest. Taru tondu kawira ni uthie court of appeal. Is there a legal framework or a formula yati appeal court egiteaniria itua riria ria mbere power yo no icoke?
Well, I'm not a legal expert.
Yes.
But from an analyst point of view,
yes.
I don't think there is that possibility.
Yes.
Because already power has been handed over.
Yes.
So did on any provision of reversal.
Yes. Because it cannot be handed over like that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Was the due process followed? If it was followed, so be it.
Yes. If it comes to the worst of the worst, no matter
the worst.
All right. Tutauliza kagusia. Anyway. Watu wa Meru sasa Mungu na gavana mpya.
Sasa mtulie mfanye kazi.
Mumsaidia vile itawezekana ndio kiongozi wenyu. If the driver is from Israel, that one I can accept. Not from the West. Those are our enemies. No, the only time I can go into that safari rally is if Mohos is driving me or Nick Ruto. That way I can feel safe.
Na no whether na gaudi na speed iriku.
Yes. Man, I can't mati kikira nyamu. Modo matoy. You know, I usually saw President Ruto being taken at breakneck speed by the French.
That is too much of a risk.
You know, she's taking the country at breakneck speed. You know, the first thing I saw that clip, and I saw people taking the photographs. They took the photographs of the president speeding. So I called the route. I told him, have you lost your mind? I actually needed to remind him of the oath he took of office, who he became. It was not even... there was no highway. You see, if it's a highway straight.
And he could afford to laugh.
You see, if it's a highway, then they cross the road entirely. They cross it from maybe Muzaiga, a maximum of Safari Park. They cordoned the road off. Then they speed there. Now they are taking the president to the bush. What if that driver was paid by our enemies and kept going.
You abduct the country.
You see, if he decided to keep going, you search him with a helicopter. Then he knows his way around. Before you know it, the president is in Sudan.
West.
You see, I thought it was a joke. I thought when he was entering and wearing the regalia, the armor, the regalia for driving in the rally car, I thought they were just taking the photographs. Then they take a photograph. Before I even swallow my tea, the cash disappeared. Even security cannot keep up. You see, so that cannot happen in Uganda. In fact, Uganda, the days I wake up, my mood tells me to drive myself.
I can't never home, okay?
Man, I can't get it.
They cannot.
You see, the acceleration was from 0 to 200 in seconds.
And you are carrying the president.
You are carrying the president. I told Ruto not to repeat that again. You see, that was a big risk. And probably his political enemies were clapping. You see, I even noticed when he finished that small race, he was petrified. he was very shocked and surprised. That was a very big goof.
President, don't do that.
No, the president is supposed to be driven at a speed that is determined by himself.
And by people he knows.
And by people he knows, especially people from his village.
If possible, relatives.
Well, as close as Kenelo Gaba. Kenelo Gaba is Mohosi.
Not foreigners.
You see, if someone is farther than your cousin, that one can have a bad plan. And cousins from your mother's side, not your father's. Because your fathers, they think you take their shamba.
Leo ngone kazi ici cia kucia mwana wa maitoguo. Cia mwana wa thoguo. Andu muharanagira mugunda.
Hey, Museveni ni mama kire muno. Na Kagame. Kagame, did you see what Ruto did? I was very surprised. I was literally mortified, petrified. Commander-in-Chief is put in a small vehicle with a very fast acceleration. And you see, there were all indicators of a coup. You see, when the Dustin got off to the vehicle, we were unable to see the vehicle physically.
We could not tell.
And this vehicle had no number plate. You see, and I tell him, you see, I tell him this is dangerous. He's trying to look good than us, but we know more tricks. You see, when the Dustin got off to the vehicle, I could have sworn now the power has gone. Because it's like a smoke screen. Before you wake up, you hear the military. The military has taken over. That was a very serious mistake. And I will tell him, moving forward, you don't board vehicles that are not maintained in basements at State House.
You must know who is your driver.
You have to have a clear history of who is driving your motor vehicle. And they take you to the bush where you have not even commissioned the roads. So I tell him that. You see, the driver would have had the mandate of flying all the way. We start looking for Ruto. We hear is in Denmark.
Without security.
How many securities did you get into the vehicle with? So that car only carries one passenger.
And he was the passenger.
He was at the mercy of the driver. That is unfathomable. You see, me, I would have crashed the whole exercise such that I have a 360 cordon of military tankers. You see, Ruto, you stop joking with the power. I cannot go into a rally car like that. Maybe if I'm being driven around by Ian.
Ian in the Murwe.
If Ian is driving me and the military is hovering. I actually was watching with the L. I watched the President Ruto talk to the young driver, who's a very young man. I don't know how much experience he has. He talked to him, tell him, put on a helmet, then they strap him in. And I thought they will go at a speed. You see, if I go into another car, it has to go at the speed of my bodyguards on foot. Before the bodyguards can even look back, there's a crowd of dust. And the president goes missing into the bushes. You see, I was very worried. You see, you are very crucial to the region. Mama Samia, you are very silent on this issue. Mwacheni Ruto kwa raha zake kama nataka kubebwa na safarali sasa sisi hatuna neno. You see? you people that did not get power from the bush.
You are very casual.
You are very casual with Kitty. Ukikalia Kitty. No, Museveni cannot.
Museveni wa gari yake ndikiragwo tin.
I want to see clearly.
Even my other security guards.
Let me ask as a matter of concern from where I sit, Museveni. Is that radical bulletproof? Imagine it is not. See, even a fly can penetrate.
Even an arrow.
Even an arrow from a warrior. She's unfortunate. This time around, when the safari rally comes, don't go in. Don't try that.
Just flag them off.
And flag them off from a place where you are not covered by dust. You know, when the dust settles, you don't know who can be gone. You know, you might assume it's a small thing, but that small moment when you entered the rally car and the gulf and the dust engulfed you, that was a power vacuum. It should be documented as there was a vacuum of power in Kenya.
Nobody knew what would happen next.
When the dust settled, we all sighed with relief when we saw you. Because Museveni, you are the voice of reason in the region. Tell him not to try and dare say that presidency does not require adrenaline. Tell me you are adrenaline. I have told him.
And I'm a senior.
I'm senior. I have never gone. The last time someone went into another car, it was Idi Amin and he was ousted. No, Idi Amin used to rally himself. He was ousted.
Ego turagithire kuria Merisho School.
Yes.
Home of the boy child.
Oh, yes.
Nore Kengwere. My, oh my.
Oh, yes.
What a school.
Yeah. Well, it's not your polling station.
It is not a polling station.
Yeah.
Maraena igongona ria Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Ndio wa kirathi kiao kia mwaka wa 2024. It was their first class.
But they did remarkably well.
They did remarkably well nationally.
Oh, yes.
Makiga nginya kaunti ya Kajiado handu mabuine ya githomo bururi uyu.
Absolutely, yes.
Riu marakiri na ngatho muthenya wa ira. Na riu kirathi kiu arutwo othe ni maragiukite.
Yes.
Maretwo the Morans.
Oh, yes. No, that goes with the senior. The Masai Morans, eh? Oh, yes.
Kurakiri na igongona riu ria ngatho. Na ni marakiri na igongona ria bado ria kuhingura their new arena.
Oh, yes.
To GMAX Arena.
Alright.
Ultra modern.
GMAX
Arena. Ultra modern.
Nigetha tuthukirwo wega ri. Iyo riu ni ria twita horo rugongo.
Lakini sasa ni hall imeomoka.
Yes.
Todo to horu. Ni hall ina facilities cia kiriu.
Yes.
Cia conferencing. Na no convert ona no tuyo ginya kiwanja gia guthakira basketball,
tennis, volleyball, the indoor game. Yes.
Riu makihingura muthenya wa ira.
Yes.
Na handu-ini ha the entire Merisho School and the Merisho community.
Yes.
Chairman.
Yes.
Etagwo Gideon Gitu.
Yes.
Tutumire ngeithi.
Ni ndiracia mukira wega muno. I have heard as much it is not a small achievement.
Hey. Ithuĩ na muthoni ri.
Yes.
Ithuĩ tugithomeire polling stations.
Wega ta proper.
Ni turamakire.
Muthomeire cukuru ngi access from any corner. No, Merisho is a good institution.
It's a good institution.
Yes.
Na facilities cia kirathi.
Yes.
Actually, that is world class.
Yes. No, I have a friend of mine, my neighbor, wetagwo Dr. Kemboi, muru athomagira kuu. Niaheaga uhoro wakuo. Yes.
Riu kurakiri uhoro munene. For one ni ndirakenio ni thukuru for one ni undu wa facilities.
Yes.
Na discipline ya ciana. Na you know the general behavior of the school.
Yes.
You can tell.
The demeanor is good. Yes.
Mugani wa Gitio governor wa Kajiado, Governor Joseph Olelenku,
yes,
was equally amazed.
No, Olelenku. Yes. He's a good man. Yes. They will mock you, Mary. Together to the road, Bisiano, Twina, Jadi Waidi. Na wa Monica Karibag South na mtetezi wa Nyeri ri. Nigetha tuthere ruo ni kumura ri. Mukiumane haraina ndo marendia macani ma Kiru factory.
Macani. Gutire nendia macani na ngimbo.
Gutiare. Wena gwa utiare thoni mero ni hauja. Ona metahato.
Actually, Jawa compound ya thukuru ri.
Yes.
You could actually not tell that there's not anything much.
Yes.
Tondu maundu mothe marari thukuru theini.
Go ni kurathiuruka muno na gakato nikena tumai tutumwara.
Acha.
Na soda gaka kanini.
No, the school was providing water at the arena. Branded.
Mundu amethuo iti. Ile kona kamugucu kimabagia ta.
Gutirari.
Na kiripsi.
Gutirari.
Gakaburari ku.
Kurai mundu enda kuria ri. Kwena merchandisers food merchandisers.
Okay, come again. Come again, brother.
Kurari na food merchandisers.
Merchandisers ni andu mokite ku kwendia irio certified merchandisers.
Yes, certified merchandisers.
Yes.
Chicken in. KFC.
Haya. Uri ndarare kuo.
Oh.
Etote mundu uturugagira magongona ini.
Makombe. Asa.
Haya. Makombe ndanaruga ku.
Asa.
Well, merchandise riu ni KFC, chicken in.
Yes.
Pizza in.
With a designated point.
Yes. Okay, aciari mathareketie bithi ni mario mainuke na mwana.
Gatirari uhoro wa video raragio. Acha gutire tamau. Yes, muthoni.
Ndoramwira atiriri. Ati horo yo mararuguragia GMAX ri. Ti kuo mariagira.
Acha.
Atire ti dining.
Ti dining
hall.
Come here.
Is an arena.
Ni undu munene.
Na dining hall yao ri.
Yes.
ni ena gorofa. There's a ground floor na first floor. Na ndeikarite ta kirathi. Uria eikarite ta it is still like an arena. So they can hold meetings or even rege kwena ta debates na indo ta icio ri. No maikare ku like ti ndiraroga mate wone mu.
Yes. Morutwo ku ni andikagirwo guthi na thani yake ya mera mai.
Alafu ndo mja ushitieta netio na irema.
Akirona onaitiragwo ndomu.
Gutire kioroko noti.
Onaitiretwo ndomu. Ciretwo residence.
Ai.
At the White House.
Hey,
State House.
Yes. Kwenda kiathi ngira ile gicukuru.
Buckingham.
You are amazing me tondu riri. That is the decision in the fee structure now. It's very friendly. Given the proportion of what you are telling me. Yes. Men a swimming pool.
Yes.
Nene muno. Olympic size.
No, I understand they even have an area with an artificial turf. Yes. When they work at Kemea Advertising Very School, there's a lot of heavy advertising here. They have an artificial turf. Ya carpet.
Yes.
Kiuna
nikio kiramba gugutungo kiingira.
Reu mweha horo ri. Cukuru cio ni uri ng'ombe irathi koguo wewe muciari guti handu muroni haria ciana ciandikaga nguo
asa
na ni mahuragirwo nguo matirehurira.
Yes.
And also adoingi tondu ni njua adoingi twathomeire ta kuria ndathomeire ri our bathrooms ziko place moja
ni raini
na kuria ru mukomaga warugama ni urona mundu wa 500 haria
na ni mwe guthemwe ngima muri
acio mena andu ana
wana odogo
ena bafu na kioro kiao
the residence.
Yes. Neu ona twe college tutagikaririe ugu
tiga secondary ona college
no reu ha ni mukumakia mwanjira mutinono guo ni kwa ina ciari marokete na hotpot marugete mukimo na steam na savasi
no
asama
tutinona tukiaria ma tondu turakiururire cukuru ucio wothe
ngate tukiaria ma
Ngedi handu ndionire hot dish.
Utiara no maraige cukathe mararuta hot dish na savasi na eigwa
kegwa ngoro kurae na kegwa hakuhi ni Isinya tauni.
Well, you are amazing me because I know their fees are quite friendly.
It is.
I ko ikafa maundu macio mothe wow. Wow. No rohete sound ko.
They have their sound.
Na ni permanent. Si ate malikia ndi kuna ndo magotigwo makimiohora.
Cukuru ina facility ida indo icio ciothe.
Ho sound yo hana tere ciuretio JCM. Permanent.
Raina Race.
Ni ta Raina Race ya Wima Media. No yao ni permanent.
Hiyo ni it's mounted on the wall.
Yes, mounted.
Msiarare wa itura.
Asha.
Ale wao.
The school chaplain.
Oh, your chaplain.
Yes.
Ndio kwa hiyo thomeire mundu mwe bodi ni uria mwaria. Kana wapitie. Inake gitu ni makeigereire.
Na maana kuaya. There was they had angelic voices.
No, I understand they have something called a brass band, a choir, and what do you call this? An orchestra. Yes. Orchestra de hura marefe ma Tonyang. They have a symphony orchestra. That much I know. They were the home of the boy shout.
At the same time.
You must have been wild.
Comparing with where we school.
Yes. No comparative analysis has to come and play.
Halido Governor Lenkwara ugiria terere. There is no sex that can survive without the other.
True.
That was very deep.
Yes.
Ate tuti onakororu mwana wa muiretu ni ararorwo muno with a lot of care. Arugire no wega ri akone twita fururi ru tumurike boy child. Because the girl child cannot survive with the boy child.
That is very true. We have to coexist.
No, Governor Lenku had a very powerful speech.
But you know, Governor Lenku has a lot of family values and is very spiritual. I have interacted with him personally. So yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Kone kwa turagetindire muthenya wa ira twina muthoni wa wanja
Mary show
na no wega riu turamaka turiri
ogira wo ikane ogire makire ni ndu na ndaiwa gia ni muroya wo screen ni mukara yo ha
muthoni die ka muhuri wa bica nikuo mathomire kana ni moyaine
yes
ni aramutindagia screen ni
Ndiyo ile ndia makathi gucia mundu wa pima wei
gutirare pima ginya thuiti
face painting ai andu a bicari agucicabithia na printer uthagira nduthi I think that is where we want to take our boys. Yes.
You should.
Well in. Now. Muthenya wa ira we had a very wonderful Sunday. Korea sent SK sent Stephen Jogoo Road. Yes.
Gumonera ginyeira igogona rirare inene na igemu ouma.
I have not been to an event that has so much liturgical content as deep as thorough as that one. Nia diashiragia kuhetithio kwa mothikavu it is a whole spiritual, you know,
and quite a liturgical process.
No, heavy liturgy, a very heavy liturgy. I should tell you, na privilege ya kuattend yogona muthembocio, but I will tell you, you know, we now have our new bishop, Lord Bishop wa SK go ku Nairobi.
Na tuambe mu congratulate muthikavu mweru.
Congratulations, Right Reverend Bishop Jonathan Kaviro, Bishop of the Diocese of Nairobi. SK hongera sana.
Hongera sana.
Oh yes.
Atumwendithirio torania utungata-ine wake.
Wegafio, he's now the third bishop of Diocese in SK Waberari Joka, and he was there yesterday. Jagi Joka was there with the wife looking very strong, and of course the emeritus retired Joel Waberu and matabu muthenya wake Waira. So our new bishop is Jonathan Kaviro, and my oh my, what a diocese, what an event. It was being led by the most His Grace Always Appears. Yes.
Igogona rirari inene na ngumwera ngumo ni tambite
ire tirari inene
na igemu
na ni mothikavu ri Jonathan Kaviro ri ni wa rugongo rwa gwaitu
ni wahate icio kinjira mundu ni wa rugongo rwa iego.
Oh yes. Koguo ngiweta nyina wa Kaviro no gweta nyina wa Kirisi ri ri mathi rugongo mweta nyina wa Kirisi.
Oh
andu aria mamwithia ni mamwita nyina wa Ngoni.
Akene mamu menya baadaye.
Thutha muno mamu nyina wa Kirisi ari atene nyina wa Musa ari mihango aya nge nyina wa Ngoni aya mamu menya ke
thutha ide na
nyina wa Kathi tondu agakenia gaitu no kairitu riu rugongo rwa gwitwo nyina wa Kaviro nyina wa Kenia nyina wa Bethi hao ni watu wanajuana miaka mingi sana na nikio turekijetie kundu ku largely because we are wonderful Anglicans and we thank God na turi rugongo rwa kure
muthikabu mite
turare ko rugongo ruothe
no rugo ona ndigwiciria kwi mundu ratigitwo rugongo
actually ri leka ngwire kuria St Stephen tondu kurari na hema mahoro mothe mareketwo screen ciga na hende gukeire gutie mundu utarona goria kureka atia
uria kurathie.
Yes. It was heavy liturgy. Leonard Meta, the standing committee of the synod. Terminology how no I was feeling like a very proud Anglican. Kwaja reu ake watho marokete mehubete nginya matonyo mao wakiri. Aya reu mako makiroro horo wa transition, the legality of the process ya ku elect bishop. Na ndiraga tondu ri mo bishop ri wa Anglican yake consecrate wori. Ando ni moragio to hikine. Haiko hena mundu we na gitumi
kingigiria
tuthie na mbere ni arie riu kana kaimana yake atia
akire.
Yes, maraekira kinake the most ni aheani ihinda iraihu
Bishop.
Silence means
consent
and acceptance. Let us please proceed to consecrate bishop elect. Yes. Ndirakwira twaikanie ndire guikara kanitha mathaa maingi uguo tondu ati ni kaharia thaa igiri turaumire kanitha kenda na
ni mwagitinda.
No, it was a beautiful location. Arabarathi arekirwo roche aracoka arathi arekirwo matamu riu ma muthikabu agatwarwo vestry agacokio makeno ni aria mamunyitireire agacoka gathi tukora ninge ni ehumba riu riria arokire ena matonyo magima ma muthikabu
ngemi ikaigirirwo iguru
arugama haria anengererio muthegi wa Ndausis. It was a spectacle.
Must have been a very colorful event.
It was a big, actually one of the biggest events in the Anglican calendar this year. I can tell you that for free. So another few bishop elects who will moving forward be consecrated and enthroned. Like what you get
enthroned.
Consecration and enthronement. Yes. Akaritaya by resignation akija miaka 65 and it is 2043. It was amazing. I am so happy I went.
No, that must be very colorful.
You know, Beth ni mara ina rwimbo. No, ndakora program ria turaneto ya liturgy. It was, I think it had like 25 items with quite several pages. Mareo riu haha rwimbo
ni mugutwitekeria please.
Ngota no muine mukiinuka. Na barajira. Leo ndo tokwe rwimbo. Ndabira goko tini MC mami.
Tene ukumethera handu.
Wewe manyereza bangora kundu. Twena matu.
Nwe mutafania.
Ngori ne tokwe rwimbo twena rwimbo to practice ite. Aba goko riu nie dio no ige gacia.
Wewe ndo athieta e mucirika.
Goko die jetetwo main sanctuary by invitation. Ndama riu goko kuratongorio ni Archbishop. Yes. Muthikabu munene na ni aria andu aria mamutafaragiria ke. Yes. Na turahunjirio ni Bishop Ngeno. Bishop wa kuria Kericho. Gave a very nice homily. Yes. Wana siasa wa kufurahi.
Leo haha wana siasa ni harokire mohoro-ini.
Yes. Although the most his grace Archbishop Ole Sapitire. Na you see kira joe kira maturia tondu rio mundu ri. Miate marokete igire. Maraikara. Muthikabu ara consecrate na ara enthronwo ekwihitithio completely na maragitwo manengere muthikabu iheo ajue ni marakimumatiirie
of course.
Yes. Maki ara iheo wega maracoka mairwo no mutikwaria
hau niho marahingikire.
It must have felt wasted.
Ya munyoro.
Munyoro ndo arari haria mbere mena sakaja. Yes. Maragwetagwo kihunjio-ini. Na mawira-ini hana hari.
Wathikira ateti matiraria kanitha-ini.
Marari organizirwo na no. Okay, let me not use that example. No, marari organizirwo na riri. Ekandu atia.
Rugame wiki andu guo.
The most arakiwa
kuduku twina uyorari deputy president igathi bagacagwe kandu guo.
Kuduku twina mutongoria wa Wiper na ni former vice president ekandu guo.
Wiper.
Kuduku twina gavana wa mucii munene wa Nairobi. Uyu urega kutemania kiara gwa thitima ekandu guo.
No mere cabaciniri.
Mere cabaciniri munene. Ikarathi ni uguo Kuduku twina mujumbe wa Embakasi Major Donkey.
Ona geithia andu cia riera-ini.
Thank you Major Donkey.
Ikarathi.
Kundu guku twina mheshimiwa wa guku George Arandu ucio ni aina squad yake. Aramugiriirie.
Ni arakuite jeshi.
Aina jeshi. Kundu guku twina mheshimiwa wa Mukuru-ini Kagucha.
Geithia andu guo.
Geithia andu. Mheshimiwa wa kuria Muthi Kafu. Kabiru aumite. Guku mheshimiwa Kihungi.
Geithia andu cia riera-ini.
Ngione kuheana bathi ya Yego secondary. Na ku facilitate andu amurongo mekinye kundu kuriku.
Mekinye guku.
Asante sana. Arathio guo twina mheshimiwa Mwago. Wao starehe Kandugwa. Mheshimiwa Thayo nawe Kandugwa. Arakinya andu. Andu marauga ati, why your grace, your grace. What is it? Sabina. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, Mheshimiwa Sabina Chege.
Nawe Kandugwa.
Kandugwa maito wa county. Kuria Murang'a wa Njiru wa Chege. Wakinya undu ni macokanira hau marathiuruka wa Munyoro. Aria mari mwena ucio. Marathiuruka wa Munyoro maramuria ni atia.
Munene no uguo gwathi. Mundu cha toimaniki.
Mundu cha toimaniki. Akorena kaundu makubiritwo totoi. Roi tutigwa guo tondu tuimotwe miena yothe.
No mwichue hatiro ndungi.
Acha ndona tari tondu riri. No na aya mwena uyu ngino matina heyo.
Oguo tuiganire.
Iye ndona uria athikoro bichari mbere no sakanja. Tondu we gavana. Okay, Major Donkey wena ngari na Kimero tuthirugame haria stadium. Na ngari na Kimero. Tondu githie tondu watu kwaria ti kuoru tukari kono kuriku
tutingereria kanitha
no twariria haria nja tungithia hau haria Center Stadium ri ile tondu thira twarie
ndo tikuona andu hau thaici
ndo tikuona thaicio aya marauma ri tumuohie ha They never spoke.
Aguo muteti ni abati gwikuagira Kimero ini hoya.
Muteti ni abati kuona ngari na Kimero iguru. Warugamirio na ugathie haria.
Okay, etera kiraundi giaku.
Ukohiria andu haria marauma. See, I know how politicians operate, and I am sure from the word go, at the materialia, they would not have stayed the entire.
Matigero, kira magiro.
Yes. You are piga chenga. Now, I'll get a cow the next item, the Komagweta.
And you know he is the authority.
And he said, my bishops are here, so this is a directive. So that is moving forward.
Yes.
Yes.
Mwake iganiro ogu.
Egwatiri undu ungi.
Mundu wage kugete ogu tene tugethira andu tugethire Githurai.
Tugethire Githurai na negwete tuginya gurweta na rumoro. Anyway, well hongera sana. Baba Askofu wa Diocese ya Nairobi.
Congratulations.
ACK Bishop Jonathan Kaviru. Karaoke. Hongera sana.
Na tukwendithirio toranio gitungata.
Absolutely.
Kristiano.
Yeni. Amen.